from HeatherBCo. I wanted to go through last week's completed spread. This was my first like fall or Halloween kit that I used, and it was a Frankenplan. I did a couple videos, like I showed a video how I picked everything, and then I did my plan with me, and this is a completed spread. I kind of wanted to show you how everything ended up looking at the end of the week. My sidebar, pretty much what I did during my plan with me. My plans on Monday were pretty much the same. I did think I add the laundry at the bottom. I had left it blank because I wasn't sure what was going to be happening that day, but I didn't have anything else really going on Monday, so I did go ahead and put the laundry on there. My husband's birthday, jury duty, I did not have to go, thank goodness. There was a Villa Beautiful pin release that I wanted to participate in. I had a very productive day that day, and I was very happy about that. My husband left to go hunting, and then my full box. On Wednesday, of course, Washy Wednesday, I did work. While I was working, I did a YouTube binge, and of course, you know it, Big Brother. Thursday was pretty much just a work day for me. I did mark this Hello October. This was my work situation. I did have a nail appointment at 9:45 that morning, and then I ended up going to have lunch with my daughter Mackenzie. We had to go run a couple of errands, so I ended up running those errands with her and eating lunch on Thursday afternoon. Once I got home, I did decorate my house for fall, and then that took up pretty much the rest of the day, and then Big Brother at the end of the day. On Friday, and I feel like I'm like racing through this. On Friday, here's my full box, work, PO run. My husband came home from his little trip. I did get a bunch of Happy Mail on this day. I actually did a lot of work on Friday, and then my husband came home later that evening, and he had picked up dinner for us at Fat Pat's. I don't know if it's a local place. I know we have like 3 locations within my area, but they have the best hamburgers. So on Saturday, I had my full box. I had to pay off my Disney trip, so I went ahead and did that. I finished decorating the house. I had a few little odd and end things that I wanted to do. I had a really late night. I couldn't sleep that night. I'm kind of like, I have severe anxiety, not anxiety, well, I have anxiety too, but I have severe insomnia. I went for a sleep study thinking I had sleep apnea, and I don't have sleep apnea. I have insomnia, and I've been able to sleep okay for the past couple of weeks, but I feel like I'm getting into another pattern where I can't sleep at night, and I had a really late night that night. On Sunday, I got up and kind of picked up the house. My housekeepers were coming this week, so I didn't really need to like clean it, but I needed to pick up. I just needed to like tidy up so that they didn't have to like work around stuff. We ended up going to La Rumba to eat. La Rumba is our favorite little local Mexican restaurant here. Now my full box, and then Big Brother, and of course the trash out. So I did add a little bit of deco. I added this from Miss Moss. I added the full box right here. I added some of these up here, and then I added the little poison apples. So that was my week. I'm gonna go back and do the wiggle. I find that the silver is not like showing up as good as I want it to, but that's okay. So this is the first page, and then here we go with the second page. I think the spread came out really cute, especially since it was a Frankenplan. I feel like I pulled it all together okay. I mean, I don't have to have a kit to be able to be satisfied with my spreads, you know? So anyway, I really do like how this spread came out, and I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.